Jamaica is our home, and our island is full of places to explore. Join us as we share those adventures with you.
That includes the food, the places, and the people we meet. In general, our rich culture. This is
YaadMentz.
Season 2. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of YaadMentz
Season 2.
Season 2. So this week we went to where?
We went to Brew'd Awakenings.
Brew'd Awakenings. Yes. So if you want to see more of us, doing our thing at Brew'd Awakenings, but they must do.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Okay guys, welcome back.
Yes.
So today, as we said in the previous clip, we went to Brew'd Awakenings. We went there today for breakfast.
Yeah.
What did you have?
I had the frittata, Callaloo Frittata.
Yeah. And what drink you had?
I had the frappuccino.
Yes, he had a frappuccino. And I decided to go a little bit, I guess, boring and bland. I had what they call a classic breakfast, which is scrambled eggs, a choice of bacon or ham, and French toast. I had that combination. I had the bacon, and I also had orange juice. Yes, I know I'm boring, but to spice it up, we actually took their chocolate chip waffles.
Yes.
And that was actually really nice. Really nice.
Yeah, it was good. So my frittata, which is mixed with callaloo, it also have a base of potato and ham. It was ham?
Yeah, it was ham. Yeah.
So I had that for my meal. Trust me, when I saw it, I was kind of skeptical. I was like, I don't know, but let me try something new. So it was really...
For the first time I tried something new.
Come on, let's go. But for real, it was really good. Like it tastes really nice. The color, it wasn't too salty, it wasn't too fresh. It was just the right mix, and trust me, it was good. But I didn't eat the ham. I gave it to her to eat. So I shared my breakfast with her this morning. Unfortunately, she didn't share for her. But let's not go there. Let's not go there. But trust me, it was good. The frappuccino as well was really good. It was really mixed nice. Some places you go, the mixer was not so good, but this was really good. Also the waffle with the chocolate syrup on it. Trust me, like just eating that and mixing everything together with the frittata and the waffles. Good. Yeah,
it was pretty good. We shared the chocolate chip waffle.
Yeah.
That was really good, and I actually tasted his frappuccino, and it was really nice. As he said, the combination of the different ingredients and stuff was mixed pretty well.
Yes.
So I had basic. My scrambled eggs were just okay. They could have used a little more seasoning still, to be honest.
Yeah.
But overall it was okay. It was kind of small too, but I feel like they could have given me more bacon. But overall, it wasn't too bad.
It wasn't too bad. Alright, well, the atmosphere though, it's a small area, but I think it was really nice. The theme, the setup, the chairs were comfortable to sit on. ACs in there, and you have access to Wi-Fi as well.
Yeah.
And what do you think about the servers?
Yeah, the servers were okay. It was a bit busy when we went. A lot of people were there looking like they're having family breakfast and stuff like that. So they were pretty busy. But they still tried to be kind and welcoming and ensure that we were okay. But it was okay. The service was okay.
It was okay.
Yeah.
She said okay. Remind me of season 1 when we went to Marriott. It was okay. So
it was okay.
Look back at that video. It would trust me. Remind me of that season 1 episode. So yeah. Out of 5, what would you give them?
Out of 5, I would give them like a 3.5. 3.5 because I really enjoyed, because I had some of his breakfast, his frittata. It was really nice. It made me feel like I should have had that, but if we go back, I'll definitely get that one.
Right, yeah, trust me, go and try that one, the Callaloo Frittata. Yes, it was good. It's good. But for me, I'll definitely give them a 4 because it was nice. The breakfast was good, the service was good. We had to wait a little because of the amount of persons that were there. So be mindful of that. Like if it's crowded, trust me, I gotta wait a little, but trust me, the wait was worth it with the food and everything, and it was comfortable and it was good. Yeah. So I really give them a thumbs up, 4 out of 5. Like, yeah man, I'm good.
Yeah man. And they're a cafe as well. So of course, they have Wi-Fi, you can come and just get coffee. Right. You don't necessarily have to come and get breakfast. And they have other menu items as well, as you'll probably see in the clip.
Yeah.
And they do have like desserts and stuff like that as well.
Right. So yeah, it was good. So guys, If you like this episode, we
Yes.
want to thank you all for viewing again.
Yes.
And we hope you enjoyed this episode as
Definitely.
well. We want you to follow us on
Instagram at YaadMentz.
Remember, if you're new to us, hit that subscribe
Subscribe.
button. Please hit that subscribe button. And we want to thank you again for viewing us, for liking us. Remember to share us as well with everybody. And what else?
We will see you in the next
See you in the next episode.
Take
Right,
care.
man.
Remember to give us a thumbs up if you like this.
Season 2.
Bye.